Hello YouTube, I am back and today I'm going to be making Rapunzel have a sash. And you want to know how? I'm going to show you. So first you have to take off the hair and the head of Rapunzel. Or Sleeping Beauty, I would just put Rapunzel's hair. And first, gotta get a rubber band out of my rubber bands. Put the hands up and wrap them around. Ugh. It's kind of hard, but you'll get used to it. And then you wrap it around like 4 times, and then you put it over the head like this. If you can't see, and it might go on the hand, but you have to loop it over, and there you have a sash. But that's not the only thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to have another one. I'm using red. You all can't see, I'm using red. And I'm just going to make her have a belt. There. She is done, pretty much. And now I'm going to put her head back on. Okay. I was just checking on something. And then I have some hairstyles for her. Okay. So now I have this pink hair. This blonde Rapunzel hair. This her aunt's, I forgot her name, but her aunt's hair, and I think it was Mia's hair, and I also did this to Claudine Wolf, but I'm gonna stick on I'm gonna make this Rapunzel Sleeping Beauty, and I'm gonna put in the hair, and I got 2 bows. I'm gonna put a bow on the top, a pink bow, and an orange bow. Okay, put it on. Okay. See? It's really cute. And I'm gonna review it. Now I'm gonna show you Claudine Wolf. Have my heels on, walk it, girl, walk it. And I just put like a ballet for like her arms, and like a neck warmer and a leg ankle warmer. Ooh. So this is it for my video, and I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Everybody say bye. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys.